Hello everyone, today we are talking about daily bias, how to find daily bias. This is one of the hardest concepts. Most of the traders struggle with this one. Most of the traders are not able to find the daily bias, and most of the traders are overcomplicating this concept. First of all, I want to tell you why is important the daily bias. The daily bias is important because if we know that the daily candle is going to go to the upside or to the downside, when we are going to the lower time frame, we're going to take most of the time the trade based on the daily bias. So we are going to be most of the time on the right side of the market. And if we are most of the time on the right side of the market, it means that we're gonna be right most of the time. So we're gonna take good quality trader, we're gonna have a higher win rate, a higher risk to the reward. We're gonna have a clear picture of what is happening to the lower time frame. I told you these things. The second things I want to tell you that ICTs give to every one of us 20 different ways to finding the daily bias. And I'm just gonna mention 5 of them or 6 of them maybe. So the first way to find daily bias is from PDRAs, premium or discount PDRAs. So this is the first way. The second way is from seasonal tendency. The third way is from quarterly shift. The fourth way is from IBDA. The fifth way is from open float. The sixth way, 7th way. I'm gonna show to every one of you one of the things that helped me most of the time to find the right daily bias. Now, I want to be sincere with every one of you. I don't use just this way of finding bias, but this is the most problem I am receiving from your message. Every one of you is sending me when I ask some question on the story on Instagram, or they are writing me on my private DM and is doing the same things with Alex. Most of them are asking about daily bias, daily bias, daily bias, daily bias, daily bias. Okay? So I am thinking that every one of you, most of you have the problem with daily bias. And I want to show you a way of finding most of the time. Remember, trading is based on probability. It's not a 100% win rate. It's not a 100% that this way of finding the daily bias is going to be always the right one. But I can tell you that most of the time is one of the way somebody can find the daily bias on the beginning. With the time, he's gonna understand different type of things, different complicated things that most of the ICT trader don't know because they don't want to go deep on the concepts. I receive a lot of hates, comments or stuff like that. I don't care because every one of that type of guys who comment bad things, they are all losers. They are losers having a bad job. They are not making money. They are stupid, they are ugly, they are just losers. Do you understand? So I don't care about you. I'm doing these things for all the people who is showing love to Trading Dojo. I'm doing for you guys. If you love Trading Dojo, if you love what we are doing, if you love our work and the energy we are putting inside this type of things to help every one of you, because I want to see every one of you to succeed, because I believe in karma. And when you believe in karma and you want good things for others, the good things is gonna happen for you. But if you are jealous, if you are envious, if you have jealousy on the success on somebody else, you're never gonna be able to feel success in your life. So let's close this thing. So this is one of the way I find daily bias most of the time, and it's based on the power of 3, open, high, low and close. First of all, let's go and let's explain how a bullish daily candle forms. We have an open, okay, the true day open or midnight open. There are things that change between these 2 key levels. And I want to tell to every one of us that I don't use just this daily bias. I use a lot of confirmation because now I am on a stage of my life that I want to be more of the time not right, but to be on the right side. This is really important for me. I am now in a good point of my life and I'm doing things on the right way, in a precise way. I don't want to take a lot of trade. I want to take just quality trade and to be calm with my mind. I want to know that everything is in sync, and after that I'm gonna push my trigger. So let's see first of all how a bullish candle forms. This logic is on the 1 minute, on the daily, on the weekly, yearly, 4 hours, 1 hour, 50 minutes, 37 seconds, is the same things. We have our open, this is the bullish candle, open, low, high, and close, okay? And for bearish candle, we have open, high, low, and close. This is easy, absolutely. So now let's push the replay button that I hate, okay? And let's see, I don't know, let's go to 2025. Okay, let's go to 2025, let's go here. And now I'm gonna tell to every one of you why this concept is really important. Because if we look just to the open, high, low, and close, and how the daily candle is forming, we have a probability, okay, we have a higher probability that the price is gonna go to the previous daily low or the previous daily high. And somebody of you is telling me, bro, but that is not enough. Do you understand that the daily low, when the daily candle close, to reach the previous daily high or the previous daily low, there are at least 100 handle of movement. If you catch just that 100 handle of movement, you can have payout after payout after payout for a month. You're gonna be rich. Understand? You're gonna make money. You're gonna make proud your mom, your dad, your girlfriend, your brother, your friends, everyone who doubt you, everyone who talk bad about you. You gonna make all of them regret. Do you understand? So this is really important. Why this concept is so useful? Because we can see, we have a gap here. We can see that in the way that the price close, okay, this is 2026. So now let's go even back. Let's go back. Let's go to 2025 because somebody, bro, you know what happens. You remember what this or that. Let's go to the last year. Let's go, okay, January last year. Okay. So we have, let's find another candle that is more clear and we can see stuff like that. Okay. This is a bearish candle. Open, high, low, and close. This is the previous daily high. This one is the previous daily high. This is easy. Every one of you knows these things. And when we have the previous daily high, okay, most of you are thinking, okay, which is gonna be the next target. And it depends how the daily candle is closing the body, how it's closing the daily candle. And we can see that the daily candle is closing below the previous daily low. And it means that the next target, most probability, is gonna be this sell side. We can go one, did you see? The price took the sell side, okay, and from there go to the upside. So now let's see what is doing. Now we have another way of finding the daily bias. Now in the beginning you are going to think, bro, it's just this. Wait 1 second, just wait, give me some time. So we have another previous daily low, okay, the price open, took the previous daily low, but what is the body of the candle? What is the body of this bullish candle? It's here. And it's telling to us that it's a turtle soup to the daily time frame. But what I'm giving to you right now, you can think, oh, it's so easy. Absolutely not, because if it was so easy, why you are asking me on the DM the daily bias? It's not easy, bro. And I'm doing just because I believe in karma, I told to you before. So when we have the close above the previous daily low, it's telling to us that the next target is gonna be this buy side. So let's wait, boom. Now, this candle closed above this previous daily high. Is this right? Yes. So the next target is gonna be this previous daily high. And it closed, perfect. So the next target, previous daily high. Now we have an indecisive candle, but the body is still above. But it's not enough. When we have this type of candle, this is usually on the lower time frame a consolidation. So we need to wait that price is gonna break to one of the two sides of the consolidation. Or maybe it's gonna take one side and after it's gonna move to the other one. So let's see what it's gonna do. Another consolidation and the price drop down. Okay, so let's remove this. Let's remove also this. And we can see that the price took the previous daily low, but the body closed above. So probably, it's gonna be the previous daily high, the target. But we need some confirmation. It can go really close. Don't take that buy side, but it took it. So price closed, took the previous daily high, and it closed below now this previous daily low. Is this right? Yes. And let's see what is gonna be the next target. The next target is gonna be this previous daily low. Wait 1 second. Move to the right, boom. And the next target is gonna be this previous daily low. Boom. And the next target is gonna be this previous daily low. Let's see. The price didn't. Okay, so now we need to wait because we have another consolidation candle. So we need to wait which side of the market, again, below. So the next target is gonna be this sell side. Perfect, and we have a close above. So this is telling me that the price on the daily candle took the previous daily low, but with the body closed above. So what happened to the downside? What happened to the lower time frame here? It's been everyone who has the stop loss or the sell who is short below this previous daily low has been stopped out. Okay, so this is a grab of liquidity. This is a liquidity run. This is a turtle soup. This is blah, blah, blah. But the most important thing is we have previous daily low taken and we have a close to the upside. So what it means that? It means that the target is gonna be this previous daily high. Let's see if it's true. Boom. Previous daily high got taken and now the price took previous daily high, and it closed above. But we have a big bearish candle. So let's see what price is gonna do. So probably the price is gonna be an indecisive candle of stuff like that. But we need to see. The price took previous daily low and closed with the body above. This is one of the way to find daily bias, and it's how the daily candle is closing below or above the previous daily high or the previous daily low. And this logic, it works on the weekly, on the 4 hour, on the 1 hour, on the 15 minutes, are all the time this logic. This is one of the easiest way to have the right daily bias. But remember, it's not enough. But for every one of you who is struggling, there is a lot of you. Me and Alex received hundreds of messages. Alex, in the last 6-7 years of trading, he received thousands of this type of question. Daily bias, daily bias, daily bias. And this is one of the way of finding daily bias. And it's the easiest one, it's the fastest one. You don't have a lot of time, you have a job, you are doing, I don't know, a lot, and you cannot trade on New York Open, or you can trade just in London or Asia, I don't know. Okay, and you don't have a lot of time to do a top-down analysis, and you want to know just the daily bias, and you have a I don't want to call it a mechanic way, but most of you have a mechanic way of entry. So you are waiting for a stop run, you are waiting for a change in a state of delivery, you are waiting for an inversion for value gap, bullish order block, stuff like that, and you are seeing that the daily candle before closed above the previous daily low probably is going to target the buy side of that daily candle. So it's really useful. Okay, it's an easy way, it's the fastest way, and I hope that this concept can help you to find the daily bias most of the time. It's not a 100% concept, remember that, and it's the easiest one I can explain to every one of you. There is also another 19 ways of finding daily bias. Thank you so much for the attention. Show some love. Follow the channel. Put like, comment. Follow us to Instagram. Help us to make a big community, because we are going to drop this type of concept more often with the time, more often. If you show love to us, we're gonna give it to you back. Remember that. I'm gonna give a lot of stuff that every one of you is struggling right now, and I'm gonna give to you also some pillars, some boot camp, whatever do you want for free on YouTube. Just show some love. Just help us to grow our channel and to be a big community, and help us to make to the top the Trading Dojo name, my name, Alex's name, so Zedi Sadiku, Alex Solignani, Trading Dojo, on the highest level of this industry, because we have a lot of things that we are going to share if you show love to us. Thank you so much for the attention. We're gonna see each other next time.